Spinach juice is full of vitamins and minerals which are essential for the development of a healthy body. It works wonders for people of all age groups. The 5 amazing health benefits of spinach juice are: 1. Prevents bleeding of gums. The problem of bleeding in the gums while cleaning the mouth is common in people of all age groups. The spinach juice is very beneficial in reducing it. 2. Prevents anemia. The amount of nutrients found in the spinach juice is very high. These nutrients help in red blood cells production. This prevents the common problem of anemia. 3. Prevents rheumatoid arthritis. Spinach contains plenty of alkalines, which is very effective in the problem of rheumatoid arthritis. 4. Reduces stomach problems. The spinach juice is rich in fiber which helps in fighting stomach ulcers, indigestion and constipation. 5. Beneficial for pregnant women. The spinach juice is also beneficial for pregnant women. The vitamins present in them helps in the development of the fetus. It is also great for the lactating mother. So include this juice in your diet and improve your health.